Hello, this is Mike Reed giving you information on a scroll compressor teardown seminar for all of you that live in the vicinity of King of Prussia. This is being held at URI at the King of Prussia location. You will need to call them and reserve your spot. Wednesday, September 13th. It is an evening seminar, 5 to 7 p.m., and they are serving dinner. So this is for all you guys that deal with your scroll compressors on ice cream machines, soft serve, remote units, and then all the guys that deal with ACs. This is the one for you. September 13th, 2023, from 5 to 7. Enjoy. This video has been brought to you by Andy Fulencheck. Thank you for your donation.